Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making a fresh okra soup. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Sit back and enjoy every bit of what I've got to share with you. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much. If you like what you're watching, please do not forget to hit the subscription button. Kindly hit the bell to get notified whenever I post more videos. So this is our okras. We'll have our dry prawn. We'll have our pepper, and this is called the obenyi. And next we'll have our dry crayfish and our dry fish. Now I'll be going to wash our protein with some vinegar. Feel free to use salt. For this recipe we'll be using chicken. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Next we'll be taking them to the pot. I'll be adding some sliced onion. Next I'll be adding some bouillon cubes and about a teaspoon of salt and some pepper. I will give it a stir and allow the chicken to cook without adding any water. 20 minutes later, I will go to check our proteins, and at this point they are not thoroughly cooked. I'll be taking off my egg that came with the chicken and I'll be eating it. Next, I added our dry fish and I'll be adding water to cover the protein. This will help our protein cook thoroughly. 20 minutes later, I'll be going to check, and now I'll be going in with some red oil. I'll give it a stir, and now I'll be adding all our blended grinded items. This is our blended dry prawns. This is our crayfish, and next I have our blended pepper with obeyi. If you are still watching to this point, please do not forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post more videos. If you've done so already, thank you so much. I appreciate. Next, I added about a teaspoon of salt, some bouillon. Give it a stir so that our chicken can absorb some of the taste from the soup. And this is our okra, the circle cut okra. I like to cut my okra, give it this circle shape size. And next I'll be adding this tiny chopped okra. The tiny chopped okra will make our soup combine very thoroughly and not have this watery consistency. You can see, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This soup can last up to 3 weeks to 1 month in the freezer as long as there is steady electricity. You see, our soup still retained its green color. This is a fresh okra soup. At this point, you can taste to adjust any seasoning of your choice. So this is it, guys. I will not be overcooking this at all. At this point, I've lowered the heat and I'll be adding my pumpkin leaf. You can see how delicious this soup looks, guys. It's so fresh and the aroma coming out from my kitchen is so nose blinding. Look at that soup, guys. This is how to make your fresh okra. Do not for any reason overcook your vegetables so that you don't kill the nutrients that is needed to keep us going. What would you be serving the soup with? For me, I'll be enjoying the soup with some plantain flour. See you again in my next one.